Okay, we are back. Hopefully you were able to kind of get to where I am um, and maybe play around and add some pictures. So from here, let's say I wanted to add some text for some of these pictures. So while I'm on the page, I'm going to go to text box and I can say these were pictures from project 2. And if I was doing this for art, you might tell about the medium or, what they were trying to portray with the different pieces of artwork. But once I do that, once I add the text, then I can add this is all based off of my theme. I can also move it around. So I need it to go to here. I can trash it. I can copy it and then just change the text if I want to do. So I'm going to get that to come here. If it'll stay, let's try again. I'll get that one. That one. Okay. So copy it one more time, and I'll get one to be right here. I'll just change that for each one. So pretty simple way to add pictures and text. I could also go into, let's say I wanted to have on my English page a block of writing. So if I go to insert, if they happen to do the writing in their documents, they could easily upload a document. So we'll do that just to see what it looks like. So we will go to, I'll select this one. So once you have a document, you're going to be able to basically scroll down in there. Let's see. Pop it out. So there's that document. The other thing I could do, I'm going to try another document just in case, with some more text. We'll try this one. So I'm actually going to get rid of that one because I like the way this one looks a little better. But if I just wanted them writing right on the site, I can go to insert and we will grab some text. Let's see. Grab that text, copy and paste it. I've got it copied. Now I'll paste it right here and I've got text. Okay, so there it would be just typing right in there. Again, I can select the theme if I wanted to. This was straight from a Google Doc. So that would be how I would do that for like a writing or a blogging sort of portfolio. Okay, let's jump over to the science. And let's just look at some different options. So I can go to YouTube and search. Let's say we're searching for biology projects. I'll just select the first one. So if I had created a video, I could actually search for my own video. Again, I can go to Docs if I wanted to. I could, maybe if I did a slideshow for my class, I could find that. So I'll just use one of these that I've previously made. I'll insert that, just see what they all look like. Notice that these aren't centered. So one thing we forgot to do on the others is I forgot to show you. So if you click on the picture and drag it, I can really drag it wherever I want to. And then again, I can add text boxes in between each video. So let's say cell structure. And I still want to stick with my theme. So here I'm going to add one more. Okay. So that would be a slideshow. You could even do a form if the kids were filling out different forms or creating forms. So there's one. I'll just use that. But you can see all these different sorts of elements can be easily put into your website or your portfolio. Okay. So to wrap it up, these are the different tools. The pages are named here, which appear here. You add a new page there. You can go to your themes here. If I want to just see what the website is starting to look like, I click this little eye. So here's my website. I can scroll down, can pop these out, or I could just click on there and they're going to play. That one's actually disabled. So here, if I wanted to see the full one, I can scroll or I can pop it out using that arrow. I can go down here and here's my form that I asked to submit. I can also, down here, I'm looking at it from a computer view. If I click on this icon, it's going to show me what it would look like on a tablet. If I go to this icon, it's going to show me what my site looks like on a phone. So responsive design. Let's go back now. So I'm going to click out of the preview. Kind of my last step to do. Oh, one more thing. If you had multiple students working on this website, maybe as a together or however you wanted to structure it, you could actually add people to edit your website right here. So you click on the little plus icon and then it would enter their Google address. Okay, so I'm gonna hit done. Now, once I'm completely ready for my website, for somebody to go ahead and take a look, I'll hit publish. That right here, this name is coming from what we would have had the kids enter there. And then it's going to ask, who do we want to visit the site? Probably for school purposes, we would want to say anyone at Florence ISD. And then I'll hit publish. So now I've got some options under here. So I can go to publish settings. And that's where I could change that. Unpublish if I wanted to go ahead and take it down. This More tab, Site Analytics, will tell me how many people have visited my site. And then now we have a link here. So if I click on that link, I can give that link to anyone that I would want to be able to see this portfolio. So you would want your students to give you that link. The nice thing is it's a live update. So if they needed to change things, you're going to see their most current work as soon as they've hit publish. They can always unpublish and then you wouldn't be able to see it. But I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions on creating a Google site.